In this video, I will show you how to enhance low light landscape photo in Lightroom. As you can see, this is our original photo. So first we will go to the basic section. Here reduce the tint to -46 and then increase the exposure to +0.53. Reduce highlight to -81. Increase shadow to +49. Increase clarity to +58. Increase dehage to +56. Increase vibrance to +46. And then click on the lens correction section. Click on the checkbox to enable the remove chromatic aberration option. Again, click on the checkbox to enable profile correction. Select Canon from the lens profile. Next, click on the masking icon at the top. Click on the radial gradient. Select the darkest part of your photo. Then increase the exposure to +0.64. Click on the Done button. Now see the difference between these two pictures. Thanks for watching the video.